Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to walk you through on the Temu seeding program tutorial. So Temu seeding is simply that you join Temu, you collaborate with them, become an affiliate program or an influencer. As an influencer, you can collaborate with them, share their products, links, and then every time when you make a purchase, or when someone makes a purchase through you, you will earn by Temu. You will get your commission and you'll earn through it. So it's a pretty handy way for a side income or for a side gig, something like that. So you can easily collaborate with them. So all you have to do, what if you want to register, you can just search for Temu affiliate program, and then you'll get to this page here. So you can just click on this one, register here. If you want to become a member, so just click on register here. And then once you when you register, you don't really much anything. It's pretty easy. You just need your email address and your social media accounts, that if you have social media accounts, so that you can use it for your promotions. So that's how it is. So once you have already logged into or you have created your affiliate program, so once you have created your affiliate program, so you get to this page here, so where you can see your balance, your cash, and everything. So far, when you join, you'll get a bonus of $5 as a joining bonus. So from there, what you can do, you can scroll down and you can post campaigns. So here you will see your specific links and codes. So when you share products on your social media pages, so make sure to use these links or codes. So when someone uses these codes and makes some purchases on Temu, then you will get your commission and bonuses through that. So you can just find those links here. And then you can also do online campaigns. If you click on online campaigns, you can just join any online campaigns that best suits you, and promote the products on social media. And also there's quite a lot of campaigns here, so in that way you can earn extra bit of income through Temu. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video.